Today, I want to give you a quick tip that I've really loved using recently to create original characters. And if you're like me, you often go to Pinterest and find one or two images that are unique and interesting and you think would make a great basis for your character. But you can't just base a whole character off of one or two images. You're going to have every single facial expression. You're going to have the character looking up, down, left, right. And that can take hours to try and find all the reference images to do that. And so, one thing that I really stress can be helpful is going to Adobe Firefly, and this is an AI tool. Now, AI is never replacing analog drawing, but it can really help us speed up the process because hours of searching for references can now be done in mere minutes. So, you can take the photo that you found, drop it into Adobe Firefly, and tell Adobe Firefly to spit out all an expression and a feeling sheet of the character in a bunch of different emotions and looking in all different directions. Now, you can also take one or two photos and mash them up together and ask Adobe Firefly to take the two photos and create a unique character based off of those two images. Now, another thing I love to do this for is when you have to draw people who are historical figures. If a person is from history, there's probably very few images to choose from. And a lot of our artists probably use those same reference images. And you start noticing that a lot of images of Frida Kahlo or Van Gogh start looking very similar. So, what you can do is you can take an image that you find of this historical figure and drop it into Adobe Firefly, and then ask Adobe Firefly to create the historical person in different emotions or looking different ways. And this kind of speeds up your reference process and is a great quick tip tool for creating more of a unique portrait from someone in history. I hope you give it a try, and thanks for watching.